Hey guys, I'm Mike Tarallo with Qlik, and today I'm excited to inform you of a new video series using ideas and input from our Qlik Nation members. Qlik Nation is our gamified customer engagement hub, an exclusive community for our most active users. In Qlik Nation, members complete activity challenges related to product updates, educational content, and industry news. It's also a place for networking, idea sharing, and a chance to influence the roadmap and make an impact. Plus, members are recognized and rewarded for their involvement. We are asking our Qlik Nation members what tips and tricks they want to see in an upcoming YouTube short or in my Do More with Qlik Tips and Tricks Edition series. This is your opportunity to submit what Qlik capabilities you want to learn more about and see them featured here. If you're not a member of Qlik Nation, visit qliknation.qlik.com to learn how to join and be part of this vibrant community. Also, be sure to check out the blog post linked with this video. Thanks for your time, guys, and I'm looking forward to helping you do more with Qlik.